Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make AI background music with Soundraw. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply make AI background music with Soundraw, all you're gonna do is simply get access to your Soundraw account. You need to simply go to Soundraw homepage and simply create an account or log in. After this, you need to find the generate music button and click it the access to simply create an interface. Once this is done, choose your preferred track length, tempo, and genre, and then click the button to generate a list of songs based on your selections. After this, review the generated tracks to find a melody that you like as a starting point. Now you can customize your music, like adjust your blocks, modify tempo, change instruments, refine sections, and simply save and download. So this is how you can make AI background music with Soundraw. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.